up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my BOXYCHARM Premium for the month of June. This is my last subscription box for the month, but I'm still really excited to unbox it with you. So BOXYCHARM Premium is the $35 a month box. I'm really excited to see everything that I got. I already know, well, I did take a sneak peek. I did grab one product out and I already had it in my collection. It's a beautiful brush set and it's in a giveaway that I'm currently doing on Instagram right now. I just started that Instagram giveaway on Sunday. You're watching this video on Wednesday, right? I think. So you have from Wednesday until Sunday. So if you're seeing this video while it's pretty new, then make sure to go enter. So we'll talk about that item first. I've got my card, but I always just kind of set that aside for a second. So the brush set that I'm giving away is the Luxie brush set. It comes in this really cute red pouch, and I have these brushes. I really like them. So this is the glitter and gold brush set. It retails for $85. I do love these brushes. I love Luxie brushes and I use them a lot in my looks. I must have used like 8 brushes today from Luxie just doing my eyes, and it wasn't only Luxie brushes that I used. But this set, which I still have the plastic on and I'm not going to take off, has 3 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. And they are absolutely gorgeous. You get a really nice selection of brushes. So really excited to be giving these away. And I'm giving these away with a palette and a mascara. The mascara is from Hourglass and the palette is from Hip Dot. Even though I already have this, I'm not mad at receiving it. Like, I'm fine with that. It's still a really great item. And I'm always happy to give my good dupes to you guys. So if I have duplicates of a product and I know and love it, then I will give it away. So that is going on my Instagram right now. And that's my first item in my box. Let's see what else I got. Next up, from Daily Concept, this is the Daily Body Scrubber. So I've had a few products from Daily Concept and I do think that they are nice. This is like something you use in the shower. So basically it's like a big exfoliating thing. I've had these that like you put your hand through. It's like a little circular one. So let's see what it says about it. It goes for $18 and it's a scrubber to reinvigorate your body and awaken the senses. It gently exfoliates with its soft, natural, organic cotton surface. Hey boy. Did you want to say hey? Come here. He's laying in another BOXYCHARM Premium box. He's actually meowing because he wants the box that I have right now. Is it time to swap it out? 1 month only? New box every month? So this is Mr. Mianos. Most of you guys will probably know him. My box is not empty yet. I will switch it out and I'll give you the new box when it's done, okay? Okay, so what was I saying? It's a soft, natural, organic cotton surface with a soy base core. It's organic, vegan, and biodegradable. Now biodegradable thanks to the Ecologic technology that enhances the biodegradation in microbe-rich landfills. Well, that's nice. I don't think they maybe have always been, but I didn't realize that. It makes me feel better about this because I'm trying to be more conscientious, and in the beauty world, it is hard to do that, so you have to pick your battles. But I'm excited for this now and I love exfoliating. I will probably be ready to take off this tan in a few days and this will come in handy to help kind of remove it. So, you know, this isn't like anything very luxe or bougie or anything like that, but it is something handy that I will definitely use. So I'm going to stick this in my shower. He is prowling. He's like stalking me right now, waiting for this box. Hold on. All right, next up, we got the Moroccan Oil Protect Defense. This is a thermal protection weightless formula up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is really nice. I really like Moroccan oil products and I haven't used that many, but the few that I've tried, I really loved, and I'd love to incorporate more of their stuff into my hair care. So really happy for this. Let's see what it says, because their stuff can be a little pricey. This goes for $28. That's not too bad. It says the Perfect Defense is a weightless, dry aerosol heat protective spray with nourishing argan oil and vitamin fueled formula. Rehydrates the hair while protecting against damaging effects of heat, and up to 450. I think I only put mine at like 330 degrees. Luckily my hair is almost straight, so it doesn't take a whole lot to straighten it, but I'm really happy to have this. We also have a Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss. So it looks like I have the shade Supermodel. Here is the box. It says it goes for $17, not too bad. And this sexy and playful lip gloss coats your lips in highly pigmented, glossy color, contains antioxidants such as acai berry, pomegranate, grape seed extract, vitamin C, and vitamin E to nourish and protect. I don't know what color this is. I hope it's the color that I'm gonna like. Okay, this is a good one. I think I've had one of these in the past. I'm gonna guess it's no longer in my collection, but this is the shade Supermodel. I may have even had this color or like a color similar. I have on my lips just lip liner. I mixed a couple of different lip liners and then put a clear lip oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. Because if I have this shade, I promise you it is super old. This is nice. It really complements the lip liner colors that I already have on. And it's got like a nice light whipped creamy scent. I don't know why it's whipped in my head, but it just is. So yeah, I'm really happy to have this one too. These glosses are so nice. I feel like a lot of Lorac products have just been kind of like ignored. I've had some hits and miss, don't get me wrong, but I've always loved their lip products, so I'm actually very happy to have this one. Next up, we have something from Laura Mercier. Oh, this is the Pure Canvas Primer, and I got the illuminating version. These go for $39. Laura Mercier is definitely high-end makeup, so $39 is not too bad considering that. It says for a healthy glow with illuminating primer that creates a flawless canvas for makeup application and extended wear. I do not have the illuminating one. I think I have maybe the hydrating one, but I'm very happy to have this. I just used something glowy from Makeup Revolution today. I don't know if you can see like the glow like completely like coming through, but I think it was pretty. But I like that this is a 2-in-1 because I typically use like a glow product over my primer but under foundation. The tube is just so pretty. I love this champagne kind of color. Here it is on my hand. Oh, that looks nice. It's more subtle, but if you just want like a little hints of glow, and this would even be really nice just to wear on its own. If you just want to give like the slightest bit of perfection and glow to the skin, this is really pretty. It would look a little bit more glowy, obviously, on its own, but I'm excited for that. I love getting Laura Mercier products in my boxes. Really happy for that one. I had a hair. I have one more item, and it is a palette. This is the Transition palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I have a few Dominique palettes and I really do enjoy them. Very like, to me, classy makeup, you know, but still fun. This I think is going to be very, very neutral, but we're going to look inside in a second. So it says this goes for $48 and it says life is complicated, makeup shouldn't be. To keep things simple, here's your new everyday go-to, a versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to cool neutral matte shades for daytime no makeup looks or a full-on sultry glam. Okay, this is pretty. I mean, this is very neutral. I bet a lot of people who get this palette will be very happy with that. As of right now, I'm not adding natural palettes to my collection hardly ever, so I'm actually kind of happy to have this one. Let me show you before I just keep talking about it. I think she's really, really pretty. Is that navy? And it's probably just my light, but that almost looks like it has like a navy tone to it, but it looks black. It's just like ever so slightly that direction. But that's the colors. You get so many pretty neutrals, and I love that you got some really nice light ones. You got some like moderate, medium, and then you have some deeper sultry ones. So I do feel like you could do something very natural, or you could do something incredibly smoky if you wanted to. So I can totally see myself using this palette. And I decluttered a lot of neutral palettes from my collection. If you didn't see my palette declutter, I'll stick that right up here for you. I do love wearing natural shadows sometimes. It's just obviously not my go-to. You know, I more so like my go-to isn't one particular thing. It's usually just like a bright, fun color. That's kind of what I go towards, but I love naturals like this. And for me, sometimes I want to wear a bright magenta lip, and I don't like pairing it with bright, colorful eyes. I really like one or the other. I think that's what makes it more wearable. When I put like color and color, I always feel like it's a little bit too much. So I especially don't like, you know, bright pink and bright pink lips. It's not really my vibe. So palettes like this give me the opportunity to still be playful and creative with makeup, but wear that bright, bold lip that I really want to wear. So I'm really excited for this. It's neutral mattes, but based on the formula that I've tried before, I think this is really nice. So I'm gonna put it to the test, but so far I've had really good experiences with Dominique. All right, so just like a little recap, because I feel like I got some nice products. Considering I spent $35, less than the cost of the palette, but I have got my palette, The brush set I received, I got my Laura Mercier primer, I got my Lorac gloss, Moroccan oil heat protectant, body scrub. I have to say I'm really happy. Even though one of my products I already had, I would have been happy with these. I'm especially excited for the palette, the heat protect. I'm honestly all of these. These four absolutely make my box for me. I think it's a really, really good assortment. So let me know what you think, or if you got some of these products. I'm always curious to see what you guys are getting as opposed to me. These boxes obviously I pay for. So yeah, I'm just curious to see what you get, if you get any of the same. But I'm very excited for mine. So I'm gonna wrap this up, keep it short, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram. You just have to like follow, like the post, and tag a friend. You can share it to your stories for extra, but it's pretty basic. So if you wanna go enter, make sure to go do that. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm repeating myself. So I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.